Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Let's tap. Now scroll down and enter encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Beware that if you've got any kind of screen lock set, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's totally safe. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.